Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can reset your TPMS on the MG ZS. Now basically doing this is extremely simple. Now you want to first check your pressure, ensure that all tires are at the correct pressure, usually around 32 to 35 psi, but you want to check your sticker or vehicle sticker when they are cold. From there you want to turn the ignition on, basically the ignition to the on position without starting the engine itself. So just make sure that everything and all the electricals is working. From there, we have to access the menu. On the center touch screen, you want to go through the vehicle settings, TPMS or vehicle status, which is going to be inside right here. Now you just want to click on the confirm reset, select reset or recalibrate. From there, you want to drive the car for around 10 to 15 minutes at speeds above 30 miles per hour or 15 miles per hour for some models to allow the system to simply recalibrate and learn the new pressure. And so guys, that's how easy it is to do. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.